So guys, my video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website News-bogana.cc. News-bogana.cc is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, and this site tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot, or sometimes to help you supposedly watch some video, but in reality it's a mistake to click on allow, and this would immediately hijack your browser with plenty of ads that would be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu, then settings, then choose privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Now pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications, so you need to remove this malicious site from the list, and also remove other junk sites if you ever find them here on the list. I also recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.